All right, another on-course vlog, 9 holes. We're at Terranea. What I did was I booked this tee time through a new service I'm checking out. It's called Forelinx. I'll leave a link below. And what you do is you just pay a monthly service to them, and then you just go on that site, book all your tee times, and then you don't have to exchange any cash or do any hassle like that at the course. It's all taken care of online. So we're checking it out. So we're at Terranea today, and par 3 course, so no woods. And I'm going with my my wedge setup today is my Vokey SM7 setup. Right there. Got my 4-pack of Vokey wedges. I'm using these because the lofts are lower than some of my other wedge setups. So we're right on the coast. Super windy today, so keep the ball down, flight it, control it into the wind. All right. So then I got my irons. No woods or anything today. It's a shorter course. See what we can do. See if we can go under par. I think we can do it. Rock on. First time I've used Forelinx, and love it. Just walk in, check in, don't have to do anything. It's perfect. You know when you go and everybody's like, oh, I'll pay for myself, and it takes like 10 minutes to check in or longer. Hate that. Anyways, first hole, walked right out. We got 123. We're playing the tips out here today, as usual. Headwind, directly into the wind. I'm going to knock down a little 9-iron. Pins back left. Just try to stay center. Start off nice and smooth. Wind ate me alive. I went left. All right, tight pin. Things could be worse. I'm gonna have to make a putt. Not the best start, but could be worse. A lot of wind out here today. It's all right. Okay, hole 2 is playing 92 yards into and across wind. I'm taking a gap wedge, 50 degrees. I'm gonna aim a bit right and just flight it down a little. About a 3/4 swing. Just a horrible shot. Short and right. If you want to dial in your short game, you have to play courses like this. Tough, challenging, short par 3 courses. And you will become a phenomenal wedge player because you're going to have shots like this all day long. No green to work with, downhill lie, going uphill, 60-degree wedge. Pray a little first. This is where I'm going to open it up, try to hit just a low, bounce it in the fringe, and check it next to the hole. Got a little too cute. Obviously not the start I wanted, but here I just had to take my medicine and missing short would have been horrible. So do the right thing. We're gonna get birdies. We're gonna get back on track here. All right, I clocked number 3 here at 177. A lot of wind right into my face. Pin is back left. I'm hitting a little knockdown 5-iron, going center of the green. Oh, worse than I thought. Pulled it left. Bad kick. And I don't know. I think I can get up and down though. This is tap in. I can make it with my wedge. All right, I got lucky. Great lie. Just good up and down. It wasn't that hard. There's a little ridge behind this hole, so from over there, I felt like I can even go a little longer and just roll right back next to the hole. So it looked like a tougher shot than it really was. Just used the 60, just picked it clean, flew it on the green, let it roll to the hole. All right, we're at the 4th hole. They totally give you apples here on the 4th hole. Love it. Car says 136. So the cool thing, what I like about Forelinx is that even if you live out of area but you're gonna come to the areas that they service, it's totally worth it if you're gonna play a few rounds. You just pick kind of the level of golf that you're gonna play, and it's great. Then you don't. I mean, you're not really gonna find it cheaper on the internet. You might if you search forever. You might find a couple bucks less, but who wants to do that? So it's great. Even if you live out of town, you're gonna come here and play 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rounds, whatever it is. It's a great deal. Just get a month, and you can cancel anytime. So I don't know. I'm checking it out, seeing if I like it. But so far, so good. Little back up here. Eat an apple. They're very good. I love apples. Sometimes they give me a headache. I don't know why. I might be allergic to them. If you know why they might give me a headache, comment below. Could be an allergy. But not all apples. It's very odd. Some yes, some no. I can't put my finger on it. Time to hit. All right, 124 downwind. Going with the 50-degree gap wedge. This goes about 110, 115, so I'm playing about 10 yards of wind. Right on the button. Maybe 6 feet for birdie. Got one back. Solid hole. Feels good. It must have been the apple. Okay, this one is playing 108. I'm taking a 54-degree sand wedge. It usually goes about 95. So again, I'm playing a little 10 yards extra. Wind and downhill. Yeah, and this one just says, it has fire at me written all over it. Fired right at it, just a nibble long. What I like though is it's all downhill going this way, so being long, I feel like I'm putting back up the slope. I think it's a good shape. All right, I totally grabbed a second apple. So good, and I'm hungry. Don't tell anybody. Let's go make this birdie. On these real makeable ones, I take a little extra time, try to look at it from behind the hole and fix any little divots that could hurt me. Because if I have 40 feet or even 20 feet, I'm not gonna be so like, I'm gonna try to really make this and make it perfect. But something like this, spend a little bit extra time. Even right here. Got to firm it in, get the right speed, it's good to go. I should have grabbed a third apple. Got an apple, made a birdie. Took a second apple, made a second birdie. I'm out of apples. How you like them apples? That's gotta be the worst line in movie history. Sorry, Matt Damon. It's just a kind of corny line. Okay, we got 140 to the stick. I'm hitting a pitching wedge, 46-degree pitching wedge. A lot of wind, a little bit downhill. Gonna jump on it, just solid. And I'm gonna give you a little on-course playing lesson. A lot of you have been asking, like, what's your cure for alignment on the course? All right, if you're just practicing or playing with your buddies, get your alignment stick and throw it down. All right, this will help recalibrate your body to what's correct. Just use that on, a shot or two, and you should be good. Just make sure it's perfect, okay? And then check it. If my ball flew straight, I pulled it a little, but just recheck the line and where your ball went. And, as you're lining up, just make sure everything's square to that stick. You should be good. And then after things will just look different. You'll be like, oh, no wonder, I'm totally off. And it'll help you kind of get more on track and more comfortable. Okay, hit pretty good number, pin high pretty much. And I feel like I'm rolling it pretty good. I can I could take a little extra time on this one as well and try to make this one. Try to get 3 in a row. It's a little left to right, working back toward the ocean, so I probably don't have to worry about speed too much, but I'm just gonna try to get it about a foot past the hole if I miss. All right, I told you I needed that third apple. Solid par though. I felt like I had a good look at it, just I didn't hit it. I didn't hit it hard enough. But solid, good stuff. Even par, let's rock on. All right, it's 150 playing 157. Got the slope on my rangefinder. It's good for practice, so you get an idea of what elevation looks like. So when you're playing an event or something, then you're like, oh yeah, this kind of slope is 7 yards. So wind's coming off this way to this way. Whoosh. So I'm gonna hit a solid 8-iron. Just play it a little left of the flag. This is hole 7 out here, by the way. It's called the Punch Bowl. I hit that pretty solid. I think it's short. Must be playing a lot longer. That wind probably got it. But I felt like I hit it pretty solid. It was a bit short. I have about a 30-footer. At least I'm on the green, right? I feel like I'm gonna scare the hole. At least a little bit. I hit that exactly where I aimed. I was having a little issue back there. Like, my mind was telling me it had to break left. There's a hill up here and it's gotta go this way. But the green slope looked like it went right. But the ocean's more this way too, so I was just all mixed up. So I went with my intellect and not, which I also felt that, but it did hold it out, this little ridge. So it was actually straight. That's a lot of words for me just to say it was actually a straight putt. But that's just what was going on. I was trying to figure it all out. 8th hole, hitting back into the ocean. It says 163, playing 154. There's got to be wind into me. I have an 8. I think I'm going to switch to a 7, go with the actual yardage. Because I think I can go a little long and be fine. Just past the hole, have a birdie putt. I don't think it's that close, but not bad. Hey, good news. I'm 1 club long. All right, last hole. It's playing 125. I don't think the wind is hitting it too much right now. Seems to have died down a little bit. We're even par. Let's see if we can get one on the last hole. Go under. All right, here's what happened. I hit my pitching wedge really well. And it went a little long. I'm still on the green. Just gonna have a long putt for birdie. We're basically gonna have to get lucky to go under par. Beautiful day though. This is a great spot. The courses like this will really, really help your game. You just hit so many wedge shots, and you do it over and over, like pretty quickly. So it just puts you in a good kind of tight gameplay mode. There you go, little on course. That thing almost went in. Good round, even par, love it. Hope you liked the video. Check out Forelinx, leave a link below for them. See if it'll work for you. It's pretty cool, I think. And come check out Terranea next time you're in Southern California on the coast. Awesome spot, all right? Hope you liked the video. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Peace. We'll see you in the next video.